Virgo, Virgo, Virgo. Now, we're here today to talk to you about the individuals who are Virgos, who are individuals born between August the 23rd and September the 22nd. That means you rule under the zodiac sign of the Virgo. Now, what do we know about Virgos? Let's tell you a bit about their strengths. Virgos are very analytical, observant, helpful, reliable, and precise individuals. And of course, what about their weaknesses? Virgos tend to be skeptical, fussy, inflexible, at times very cold, and even more so, very interfering. Now, we wanted to talk to you about astrologyvirgo.net, and this is the number one website and premier website online that helps you get a lot of content and information about Virgo. More importantly, you are allowed to get information on compatibility, more data on the sign, your horoscope, about the Virgo man and Virgo woman, and your astrology Virgo love. Lots of content. What's even more important, follow any one of the links on the page, and you can pick up your very own free Virgo psychic readings. And that's very important. Every single Virgo is the same, but yet every single Virgo is absolutely different. What is in the stars for you, or what maintains in the stars for you, can be different for what maintains for another Virgo. You really need someone to interpret what's happening in the stars for you, and which is why you need to visit www.astrologyvirgo.net. Now we're going to look on two things in the first part of this video series, which has to do with Virgo and friendship and their temperament. Now people look up to Virgo for friends because they're straight thinkers and solve problems logically. They're truthful, loyal, and determined. Some people might find them cold or emotionally detached because they live in their minds and not in their emotions and feelings. It might be hard to pin down how a Virgo friend is feeling because they easily live in denial. A person who is able to read deep into another person will notice when Virgo is not well, but if they confront them about it, they would rather retreat than talk about it. It is best to keep your emotional distance from a Virgo friend unless they open up to you first. Virgo might try to analyze and control a friend's life, but only with the idea that they will improve their life, not purely for the sake of controlling them. Be patient with your Virgo friend and understand that their recommendations are only to make your life better. Now, what about the temperament of a Virgo? Now, before a Virgo plunges into anything, from a problem to a vacation idea, they need to analyze all the facts and follow all the details before they plunge in and make that decision. This makes them seem very indecisive and extremely slow. Now, a Virgo's perception is their reality, more so than any other zodiac astrology sign. What they believe is what will be. If they have a negative outlook on life, things will present themselves to be negative, and they will be very moody, isolated, and detached. If they're positive, the same events that occur will be held in a positive light, and they'll be pleasant, well adjusted individuals. A Virgo mind is very powerful, and they must have the proper attitude for their life to be happy and successful. A Virgo needs to get in touch with their feelings. This is why they usually seem cold and detached. They're very prone to living in denial. They will say they feel okay and everything is okay, when in fact things are not going right at all. Now, finally, we wanted to look on what everybody wants to know. Virgo love, sex, and relationships, and the compatibility. And we'll touch on this briefly because we know that we can drive you and send you back to our website, astrologyvirgo.net. Look anywhere on this page, whether you're watching the video or you're listening to the podcast, for astrologyvirgo.net, a link anywhere on this page, and it'll send you right back to the website. Go ahead and click on the link that says Virgo compatibility, and you should be able to pick up much more data than what we're going to give you in this particular set. And of course, don't forget you can pick up your free psychic reading. Now, what's it like to date a Virgo woman. A Virgo woman is earthly, and she may seem cold and detached, but underneath that timid, reserved surface lies the real woman. A strong, passionate woman with a great capacity for strong, devoted love. She will play hard to get. She's hard to get because she's worried about exposing her emotional vulnerabilities and getting hurt. She requires patience, and you will have to court her and work very hard to impress her. Once she's in love, it is for the long term. She will be devoted, loyal, and make you very happy, and even put a little order in your life. A Virgo woman is conservative and old fashioned. A typical woman who is perfect for the man who loves a challenge and likes to take a relationship very slow. Now, ladies, what about that Virgo man? The Virgo man has a cool exterior with a sensitive interior. He has tremendous respect for a woman and will treat her like an equal. He likes a woman who stirs his emotions because he's reluctant to express his own emotions. While he tries, this often causes conflict, not just inside himself, but it spills out into the relationship. This man takes patience and understanding. He will not get extremely close, so don't try to enter his psyche and become closely entangled. This will make him feel extremely threatened. He needs a classy woman who is not impulsive and unconventional. He leads a predictable life, and a predictable woman will make him feel safe. He's perfect for the down to earth conventional woman. He won't be romantic and sweep you off your feet, but he will be by your side and he will be very loyal. This man's sensuality comes out with time. For the woman who wants a stable, solid relationship with a visible, smooth sailing future, the perfect man is a Virgo man. So, of course, ladies, you would want to know, men, you'd want to know which sign really and truly makes all the difference to the Virgo. Well, you've got to visit www.astrologyvirgo.net. So, till next time on part 2 of our video series, we're looking out for you.